Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the point sketch tool. So point is it's just like something you could add onto your sketch, usually for like some sort of reference. And when we were using the midline point, as you recall, by default, there's a point that's created in the middle, right? So let's say we wanted to create our own midline tool, we could draw a line like this, and then we could come to the point and add a point in there. So this is essentially our own midline sketch, but we're not limited to where this point is. Maybe you have like a fancy circle you draw somewhere like this. Let me do a normal circle actually. Let's say you have a fancy circle and then there's a special point on here that you want to reference and you want to make that point like tangent at that point or something. Then that's where creating that point might be useful. So points helps you connect another sketch to another part of it, connects like two sketches together at a very specific location. If sometimes it's hard for you to dimension it directly, but that's one common application of a point. And then visually too, it helps you see like where you're trying to connect the thing. So I think it's both like style and preference, but sometimes it's useful to just have a point in your sketch. Okay. So that's how you do a point in SolidWorks. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.